as we have seen that codominance, different cases of crossing between a parent of A blood group and O blood group. This is case 1 and case 2. In case 1, we have obtained all of the organism or the individual having the A blood group as I gene was recessive one, while in the second case we have obtained O blood group and A blood group in 50-50 ratio. Let us take one more example. In the same way, you can obtain each and every blood group, crossing between each and every blood group. Now, the next case is the crossing between parent of A blood group and another parent of A blood group. Means father mother have both the blood group A similar. Now in case 1, there may be chances that both the parents have same allele or factor IA, 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 IA. In that case, we will obtain all of these probabilities to have all the blood group of with A blood group. Now, the second probability that A blood group have I as a recessive one. Here also I is recessive one. In that case, 3 of them will show the A blood group, because in both these cases I is a recessive one. But in this case, I is a recessive one. Both the characters or factors or alleles have I gene, I group. So this one is a O blood group. Now, similar is the case third, in which one blood group patient or a person with blood group A have I as recessive gene, where the another parent have both the dominant A blood group or A allele. So in that case, the both gametes or factors will get separated, and it will lead to the formation of this combination. Now, as such, we will obtain a 50-50 ratio, that is 2:2 ratio will be obtained of the parents. Similarly, you can perform all the probabilities of different blood groups. Now, let us come to next topic, that is test cross. What is test cross? This was a method, or this is a method which is devised by the Mendel. Again, it is a method that was devised by Mendel so as to determine the genotype of an organism. In it, the dominant genotype of any unknown type which is not known to us is crossed with a recessive parent instead of the self crossing. Means, in it, suppose we have done an experiment here. It is a case of monohybrid cross, and in it, suppose this violet color flower is not known to us and this one is known to us. So when it is crossed with an unknown type, it will yield all the violet colored flower. Then how can we determine the unknown type, that is this type? So in this case, we make a probability chart. In it, both the dominant trait are written in capital letter, and here both are written in smaller letter W, and F1 hybrid will result in the formation of all the W capital with dominant trait. In this way, we obtain all the violet flowers in F1 generation. Through this, we get interpretation, that is a conclusion, that unknown flower type is that we get is a homozygous dominant one. Now this we get is one combination, that is case 1, in which the dominant parent was unknown to us, but as we obtain all the progenies with the violet flower, so we come to conclusion that violet color flower is the unknown type. Suppose there is another case. In it, this was again an interpretation. This was not known to us, unknown to us. So when we get crossed with it, we get two of them with the violet varieties flower, while the rest two were obtained were the white flower color of the flower. So we get 50-50 ratio. So it is a case of test cross, means we will obtain the genotype of an organism, and on this basis we come to a conclusion what will be the parent type, especially the dominant genotype. What will be the genotype? Dominant genotype of unknown one. So we will come to a next session with a new topic. Thank you.